such cute guinea pigs. I'm glad I dragged them on the trip with me. Oh, why is it showing off that glow? Oh God, he's getting bigger. Ah.
Oh God! It's eating the boat! What's going on? Oh, he's about to eat me! He's looking at me! Oh God, he pushed me down! Oh, I grabbed my leg! I broke my arm! He ate my leg! Abandoned ship! Oh no, he's going to jump! Oh no! He's going! He's going! Abandoned ship! Run! My name's Johnny! Oh God! Oh no! It's on the helicopter pad! Maybe we could pull it up! Oh God, it didn't stop it though! Oh no, it's fighting me! Oh no, it just banged a big hole in the ship! Oh no, we're sinking! Oh God, there's a big hole in the boat! I tried to repair it, but the water kind of just went over. Ah! Oh, the thing broke! Oh, there's no one driving! Oh, that car is hitting me! No, that hit us! Help! Help! Help!
Dylan, he's blocking your light. Why is there talking nerd here?
Asher, we download this. Josh is making a movie about me winning Blossom Queen. Play next.
How shall they live? And those who lives in me, they'll never die. They've risked their life on Astor to fight Lenny, the big guinea pig, which is kind of convenient. Well, on with the picture of the ship. Hey, look, George. I found the ship that got sunk by the giant guinea pig, the name called Lenny. Well, Steve, it doesn't look like it. Yeah, of course it looks like it. Wait, who's holding the camera?